Good evening. New tonight, an Oklahoma man accused of heinous acts, now under investigation by the FBI, appeared in court today.
63-year-old Henry Piet has garnered national attention, and he faces charges for molestation, rape, and child abuse as a result of claims made by his stepdaughter. 2 Works For You reporter Ashley Holt was in the courtroom and has the details on what happens next. Ashley?
Henry Piet's court appearance this morning was brief, but the district attorney says the case he calls horrifying should get moving in the coming months. Silent with his head down, 63-year-old Henry Piet walked into a Wagner County courtroom. These steps preceded by an affidavit full of disgusting accusations made against him by his stepdaughter to the FBI.
It's hard to describe when you've been through so much trauma in your life, especially when the man who did this to you is not caught.
She spoke with People magazine in August.
You're always looking over your shoulder, thinking that he's going to show up.
The documents suggest Piet took McGinnis against her will in 1997, had sex with her for the first time in 1993, and married her against her will at the age of 11.
All I know is that I was going to get away. I was going to go back to the United States, so my kids at least would be safe.
She claims he picked her up from school one day and held her captive for 19 years, moving her from state to state, sexually assaulting her multiple times a day.
That's the first thing we think about are the victims, the individuals that have been harmed by people that in our jurisdiction.
District 27 Attorney Jack Thorpe says he plans to see that justice is done, filing 4 charges against him, 2 counts of lewd molestation, first-degree rape, and child abuse by injury.
We're going to do the best we possibly can within the rules of evidence and following the law to help them.
Rosalind escaped Piet last June after he moved them to Mexico.
I've been waiting my whole life for somebody to find me.
That's when she told the FBI her story. The agency believes he has deep ties to criminal organizations in Mexico and arrested him in September.
Future looks bright. I'm happy to be where I am today, and I've dreamt about this moment since the day I was taken.
Now in handcuffs, Piet walks back to his cell until November 30th, when the DA anticipates a date for a preliminary hearing will be set. Today's court appearance was only a preliminary hearing conference that has to take place before an actual preliminary hearing. Now Piet's attorney decided he was not ready for that hearing and decided to put it off. Coming up at 6, the interaction we had with his attorney and why we don't have a statement from her on this case. From Wagner, Ashley Holt, 2 Works For You.